Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for joining. Mark here from Nexa, and I've got the exciting opportunity to talk to you about Microsoft MCI funding, and which is in essence free money from Microsoft, which is obviously a great place to be and a great discussion point. So we've got a few slides to run through, and I'll talk you through what MCI is, and then I've got my colleague Nick. We're going to talk about how you can get the funding, what it's actually for, and the benefits of taking that funding for yourselves. So, what is MCI funding? At its core, it's a funding process which is designed to really sort of help businesses like yours accelerate cloud adoption, digital transformation, and it provides financial incentives. So again, cash to you as a customer. The MCI program is structured to reward you as a company for purchasing and adopting Microsoft technologies. So moving into the cloud and adopting Microsoft Dynamics 365, Azure, Power Platform, and importantly, Copilot, which we'll talk on in a bit more detail. So the incentives are available for a wide range of applications and activities, again, ranging from migration from on-prem to cloud, scaling up your cloud infrastructure, and importantly, adopting new services as well. So if you're thinking of dipping your toes into another area of Microsoft, then these funding pots will help you out there as well. The goal of the program itself is to really reduce the financial burden of you as the customer. And what we do as Nexa is we will help you, the customer, leverage the power of the cloud while minimizing the upfront costs, which is the most important thing. So the program itself works in collaboration with us as the Microsoft partner and Microsoft themselves. And what we do is we try and help you understand the best way to adopt and take advantage of these incentives, because there are a number of different programs available. They can cover a variety of stages in the cloud journey. That's from initial planning through to assessments and deployment, and then obviously post-sale as well, once you're actually involved in the product and using it in earnest, ensuring you're getting the maximum benefit from that technology as well. So in summary, Microsoft Commerce Incentives, or MCI, which is the word that you're gonna be hearing, it's about enabling you as a business to grow, to innovate, and transform without that financial burden and using free Microsoft money, which everyone likes to hear.
I'm going to talk to you a bit about some of the incentives that are available for MCI funding. The first one is for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain Management, or FNSCM as it's known. And this includes a solution assessment to evaluate financial and operational improvements in D365. We can also then deploy the services around integrating D365 with existing enterprise solutions to enhance operational efficiency within your business. The second incentive available is around D365 customer sales and customer service, or CRM as it's known. And this can include running POC, proof of concept initiatives, to explore how CRM can be used within the business and gain customer service solutions that are tailored to your specific business needs. This can also include running workshops, identifying how we can make improvements around sales processes, and also generally around the customer engagement using the Dynamics 365 tools. Also part of MCI funding is the Power Platform, which includes Power BI, Power Apps, and also Power Automate as well. And part of the funding process then will be around looking at solution assessments that are designed to uncover opportunities within the business to utilize the low code and no code solutions around Power Platform solutions. This could include development and deployment services for implementing these tools and identifying possible workflows, automations, and helping to streamline the operations across the business. The final incentive covers the use of Copilot, the AI powered assistance tool, and Copilot programs are available to explore AI-driven opportunities within the business using the natural language interactions within your D365 environment. The MCI funding will also support adoption and change management programs to guide your team in utilizing the AI capabilities around Copilot and enhancing your productivity and decision making.
Now, importantly, we need to discuss the key benefits of the MCI funding pots. So obviously financial support is one of the key things. We want to take the burden away from you in collaboration between Nexa and Microsoft when looking at new pieces of technology, leveraging the technology that you already have in place. So whether you're assessing the suitability of D365 or you've already implemented it and looking to see how you can maximize the investment, then obviously we're looking to reduce that financial burden. Tailored workshops and proof of concepts, you need to think of it as purchasing a new car. You wouldn't do that without actually test driving it, seeing if you like the car. Similar principle here with the tailored workshop. So we'll work with you, understand what you're looking to achieve, and then we'll use the Microsoft funding to make sure that we're hitting those key benchmarks, and then release that funding once you move forward. Post-sale, it's obviously important as well, because once you've got the applications in place, the post-sale part will assist you in the actual deployment of the solutions, the ongoing adoption, user training, and again, making sure that everything's in place and you can maximize the investment, and get the most out of the tool. Importantly, we want to discuss also why MCI matters for you as an organization. Again, it's allowing you as a customer to explore these solutions without a firm commitment. There might be examples where you're looking to, again, dip your toes into a certain piece of technology, but you're not really there in the business case. The MCI part allows you to look into those pieces of technology and then use that as a business case to drive through the organization. And again, we can use that for solution assessments and proof of concepts. We can help accelerate adoption as well. So with the funded deployment services and training, obviously we can help your business grow more rapidly, and again put that through as a business case in the organisation to drive results faster. And importantly, what we want to do as a partnership between yourselves, us, and Microsoft is ensure that we've got long-term success. So the funding, as it says here, extends further beyond the deployment. It incorporates support services for adoption and change management. And importantly, it ensures that your team's fully utilising the solution. I've mentioned it before, but again, maximising that return on investment with minimal upfront investment.
Just going to talk through the application process around MCI funding. Firstly, the idea is that you discuss your requirements and your ideas that you may require around any of the MCI funding solutions that we talked about earlier. Discuss your ideas and how we potentially can help you as Nexa. Once we understand those ideas and we have been able to document those, we will then provide that funding application to Microsoft, who will then review that on behalf of Nexa and the customer. Once Microsoft has reviewed the application, we expect that they will confirm that the funding has been approved and based on the criteria that they have. Once the approval and funding is complete, we can then begin the work of running those workshops and assessments, POCs, whatever the activity may be, to help you then start your D365 journey.
Okay, so to summarise, MCI funding is available to anybody in terms of being able to make an application. We would ask that anybody that's interested in this reaches out to their engagement manager, myself, Nick Dunstan, Stuart, Martin, anybody within Nexa that you've been already dealing with. And again, importantly, this covers pre-sale and post-sale. So whether you're, I've said that phrase before, but dipping your toes into certain solutions, whether you're fully fledged users of D365 or Power Platform, but you're looking to increase adoption, drive further use cases across the business, we can help these discussions move forward in terms of how you can leverage other technologies across Microsoft. And importantly, this is a collaboration. So you're not going to be in this alone. It's not that you're dealing with Microsoft and all of their different their different technologies and application processes. We will help take that burden off of you. And again, importantly, this is free money. So again, thank you for your time. Please do reach out to any engagement managers or any other team members within Nexa that you're already in discussions with. And we're hoping to help you move forward with MCI funding moving forward. Thank you.